Hello viewers, Annie here. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet glove pattern. This is very simple and easy, and they look so beautiful gloves, and they are really cozy and soft. This yarn is very beautiful, as you can see, and this is of medium size, and the hook size is 3.5 mm. And let's start. First of all, we will make a chain, that is foundation chain of 20. I brought this yarn from an online store, that is Al Said yarn house. It's a Pakistani store. Okay, after 20 chains, I'll make single crochet in every chain to complete the second round. In the second round, we have to make single crochet in each of our chain. After reaching at the end point, we have to make chain 2 and we'll turn the side. Now there is a chain on the upper side. We have to make single crochet in all the chains, but from the back side, that is, as you can see, we have to make single crochet in the back chain. We have to avoid the front chain, and we'll make single crochet in the back chain. Basically, we are going to make a gloves border, or anything you can say. So after completing this round, at last we will make a single crochet, then we will make chain 2 and we'll turn the side. Now again we have to make single crochet in the back chain, as you can see it clearly. Single crochet in the back chain. Chain 2, turn the side, and we will again make single crochet in the back chains. We have to repeat the same procedure. We have to complete at least 36 rounds here. You can change this number according to your arm size or waist size. Then time to join the two sides by using single crochet. are joining the two sides by using slip stitch, or you can use single crochet as well. After joining the two sides, we will turn the side like this. Now we are going to create the body of the glove. We will reach at the lower side of the pattern and will make puff of 3 rounds at this lower side of this pattern. Now again we are going to reach the lower side of this pattern, as you can see, and will make the puff of 3 rounds. Chain 1, we will repeat the same procedure in the next chain. We are making the pattern in this lower place as I had shown. So we have to repeat the same process in this round. After reaching at the end point, we have to join the sides by using slip stitch. Slip stitch in the next chain space. Now we'll make the puff of 3 rounds in the chain space. Chain 1, again make a puff of 3 rounds in the next chain. We have to repeat the same procedure in this round, and after reaching the end point we have to make a slip stitch to join the two sides. We have to repeat the same procedure in the next round too, and we'll join the side by using slip stitch. but at this point we will skip one chain space to make a space for the thumb. As you can see, we will skip one chain space or two chain spaces according to your thumb size, and we'll create a thumb place here. And then we will repeat the puff procedure again in the next round. At last we will make a puff in the thumb place, that is we left for the thumb. Then slip stitch to join the sides. Again we have to repeat the same thumb bubble procedure or puff procedure in the next round. After completing this round, we will make a slip stitch to end up the round. We will make at least 4 rounds of the same procedure after the thumb place, as you can see. So here is the final look of our glove. This is so simple, so beautiful and easy to make, and warm as well. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends and family who want to learn crochet. There are a lot of videos on my channel for the beginners as well, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.